So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna grocery shop in my PJs and slippers.
Why is the music still?
We're about to go and pick up our Walmart grocery pickup. Before we do that, we need to get some coffee. So I'm testing out this Walmart grocery store pickup and I'm really excited about it. No, we don't have to get out. Okay, so all you do is you pull up to these orange reserved spaces right here. And then you just call the phone number and you let them know what slot you're parked in. So this is super cool.
Yeah, you don't have to leave your house anymore. Just come to you.
Well, we didn't order cheese balls.
A welcome gift.
Oh, thank
And
you.
what would you like your eggs? I'm just gonna put them here.
That's
Is that
fine.
all right?
Yeah.
You always gotta watch those eggs because they love to break.
Okay. Scarlett, do you want some Cheerios? Come down Cheerios? How cool is this, Scarlett? This has changed Mommy's life.
Seriously, moms just especially
Oh
just
my
go
God.
nuts. They're just like, I'll never ever go shopping again, and I love it.
No, and then they have that referral link
Yeah.
too. So if people sign up with
It's
your
like a
link,
side job.
yeah.
Because everyone that comes, they love it. You're doing them a favor.
Yeah. So, oh my freaking gosh, you guys. The person that delivered my groceries, her name is Kathy. She was phenomenal and she delivered everything in 3 minutes and 52 seconds. It probably took her longer because I was chit-chatting with her, but everything is right here. Everything that I need for my week's groceries are right here. And they even gave Scarlett a little welcome gift of Honey Nut Cheerios. Scarlett, did you go grocery shopping in your PJs?
Yeah.
This is so awesome. So there's a referral code. So if you guys want to go ahead and try it yourself, there is a code right here. You will get $10 off and I will get $10. So I will leave that referral code in the description box. You guys definitely need to try this because this is literally life-changing for me right now. So I'm gonna get back home and unload the groceries and this is so cool. Scarlett, do you want to do this with Mommy on Thursday mornings?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I know I told you guys that I was not going to do a grocery haul on my channel, but things change because Walmart grocery pickup is seriously amazing. So I picked up 2 packages of the Oscar Mayer deli meat. So I got 2 of those. I got a pack of bacon. And then we got the Great Value brown sugar oatmeal. Then we got the Great Value version of Lucky Charms. Also the oatmeal squares. We got a big thing of chunky peanut butter, 12 count of Great Value applesauce, extra toasty Cheez-Its. If you guys have not tried the extra toasty, you need to. It is life-changing. Also 2 cans of Enchilada Sauce. So this was a substitution. So if you order something and they don't have it, then they will substitute it and they're not going to charge you additional if it costs more money. So that was awesome. And then we have a can of SpaghettiOs. And then I got 36 eggs. Yes, we eat a lot of eggs here. Also, we got some bread, 2 gallons of water, 2 1-gallon waters, 2 gallons of milk, heavy whipping cream, and some produce. So I got a bag of red onions. We got 2 packs of zucchini, so 4 zucchinis each. We got 2 of the yellow zucchinis and 2 packages of these small sweet peppers. And then I also picked up 2 of these fly traps to go ahead and put outside of my door. My dad used to use these when I was growing up, so it gave me the idea to pick these up. So I got these as well. So everything that you see here, I paid $76. $76, Mom.
But you got $10 off.
Well, that's with the $10.
Oh, that's with the $10.
So $76 for all of the groceries that I mentioned. And I think that's pretty good. And that's including the fly traps. Got 2 fly traps.
And what they give Scarlett for?
And then they gave Scarlett this little package of They gave Scarlett a little package of Honey Nut Cheerios to munch on. So this is the haul. So I think that Walmart grocery pickup, if you have it in your area, is worth a try. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to walk you through how easy this is. So all you need to do is go to www.walmart.com. Sorry, guys. Com. Oh my gosh. com/groceries. Grocery. There we go. All right, so it's loading right now. And I'm already signed in. So here's my account right here. So what you can do is just type everything in you need. So for next time around, I'm always going to need milk. So I'm going to add in my milk. So you just type in what you want to pick up. I'm going to add this to my cart, and I want 2 of them. And then it goes into your cart, and then you can see the subtotal, and then you just check out. You need a minimum of $30, but your first order, you're going to get a free $10 with the referral code in the description box. So really, if you spend $30, you're going to get 10 off, so it makes it $20. But now I want to see my recent orders. I'm curious. Oh my gosh, you can reorder all your items. Watch this. I'm going to click this, reorder all items, and then it is in my cart. This is craziness. I cannot believe this. I am so excited. Okay, so we are just going to be finishing this up on my webcam. So if this is weird, sorry. I'm feeling all sorts of lazy right now. So I got my coffee. So let's chat. Oh, and we have a cute little skeleton chihuahua here. So let's chat this Walmart grocery store pickup. So one of the pros of it is obviously you can sit with your list and you won't deviate from your list. So you have your list, you just order it, and that's it. So it keeps you from all those impulse buys. So me, I struggle with going to the grocery store and I'll see new stuff and like I want to try it, or I'm shopping with one of the kids and the kids want to, get this, get that. This is a way for me to be disciplined and stick with my list. So I will only be getting like grocery type items through this. So, my milk, my eggs, the grocery stuff, but formula, diapers will always be through CVS or Target through a gift card promo. So I won't change that. But a lot of times, we don't get grocery coupons for produce or meat or stuff like that. So I'm always going to be doing this Walmart grocery. So the con was the distance. So it took me about 18 minutes to get there and then 18 minutes to get back. This is real life, guys. I have 3 kids and they are currently screaming at each other. So hold on. Let me mom real quick. Hey, Scarlett and Sawyer. Scarlett and Sawyer. No. Do you guys want time out? Okay, so stop screaming at each other. This is real life. Real life, you guys. Okay, so one of the cons was the distance. Originally, it was the distance. So it's about round trip, about 40 minutes. But there's a pro in this because I took Scarlett with me, and that gave us 40 minutes to sit in the car together and chat. And she was able to tell me what was going on in school. She was able to tell me what she was wanting for Christmas. And it was just a chance for her and I just to connect and chat. So I went and got a coffee, and then I got her a iced apple juice, which is one of her new favorite things. So fancy Nancy over there with her iced apple juice. So I turned a con into a pro because I was able to get some more one-on-one time with my daughter, which is something that is really important. So also another pro to this is the referral program. So when you sign up with the link below and you place your first order, I will get $10 and then you will get $10. And then you will also get your own link. Then you could share with your friends and family, and that's going to get you grocery credit to then save more money. So when you're thinking, oh, I can't really save with Walmart grocery pickup because you can't use coupons, well, you can, in the sense of you can get credits. So thank you, Nicole Burgess. I used your referral credit, so thank you. And I already talked to you on the phone, and I told you how amazing this grocery store pickup is. So also something that you should also know, I wasn't sure if I was supposed to tip the delivery. So I asked her, I said, hey, do you guys accept tips? And she said no. So you're not supposed to be tipping them because they don't accept tips, and neither does Home Depot. So you guys had asked me that with the woodworking. When they cut down your wood, are you supposed to tip them? They do not accept tips. So if they're seen accepting a tip, they can get in trouble for that. So what do you think, Porter? What do you think of the Walmart pickup? Huh? What do you think? I like it. I highly recommend it. It's super easy. And I guess the main con of this is the fact that not all locations have it. So Walmart really needs to step up and get all of their locations to get this service because it is really amazing. Something else that I liked is you were able to, sorry, there's like flies going all over the place. My in-laws leave the doors open sometimes, so sometimes the flies come in our house and Porter's just, trying to be the fly catcher. Let's see, what else? So another pro to this is you can go ahead and reorder your grocery list that you did last week. So if you order the same exact things every single week, you can just reorder, which is great. What else? I'm trying to think if there's another con. I guess the main con is you need to make sure that all of your items are there. What did you think about the Walmart grocery store pickup? Was it fun?
Yeah.
No. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Scarlett, you want to say hi?
Hi.
There's Scarlett. Scarlett, don't you do this thing where you pretend you have a YouTube channel? You say, hi, my name is Scarlett. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Isn't that what you do in the mirror?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Go ahead.
Hi. I got my channel.
There they are. The Schweppy kiddos. You got your car? Okay. Okay, so something that you also need to look out for. So I asked Nicole, I was like, okay, what's your main tip? Like when it comes to Walmart grocery store pickup? And she had mentioned, make sure you check your groceries to make sure that they have everything. Because I guess they've forgotten some stuff from her. And yeah, just want to make sure that you check all of your items, which is really easy to do. You just go into the app. And what's also cool is you get an email when your order is ready, and then you check in with your app, and then you can track your location so they know where you are. So when I pulled up to my space, I called and they said, Mrs. Schweppy? I'm like, yeah, that's me. So they were able to track me to know where I was in my ETA, so they were ready for me. So literally, it was the quickest thing ever. So downside for Scarlett is she thought she was going into the store, and then she got a little upset that she wasn't actually going into the store. But I told her, I said, Scarlett, we're grocery shopping with our PJs, so we're not going into the store. So yeah, I think that's great. So I 100% recommend Walmart grocery store pickup. I'm going to be doing this going forward, and hopefully this is going to help me get a tackle on my grocery budget. So I just wanted to end this video just sitting and chatting with you guys. So yeah, and it's a great tool for you to sit down, with your Pinterest and your recipes. So you can go through your ingredient list. You can take the time to go through your pantry, see what you have, and then you can just add it to your list or go through your app, add it through your app. So this is phenomenal. So the Schweppy family and the Schweppy kiddos, they give a big thumbs up to the Walmart grocery store pickup. So definitely give it a try. Use that link below, get a free $10, and yeah, why not get $10 in free groceries? So definitely go and give it a try, because if you're like me, I don't particularly care for Walmart. So I just don't like the crowd of Walmart. Walmart just gives me anxiety because there's always a large volume of people at Walmart. So I always tend to avoid Walmart because of that. But I will go to Walmart every single week with this grocery store pickup. So thumbs up and thank you. On behalf of all moms and dads and busy people alike, thank you, Walmart, for offering this service to make our lives just a little bit easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and send my friend Nicole Burgess some love, because she is the one who got me in on this grocery store pickup. So thank you, Nicole, so much for recommending this tool to us, and I'm like kicking myself that I didn't start doing this sooner. So thank you, Nicole. I love you. You know I do, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.